Networks. Definitions: network, a set of connected computers and devices that are capable of communicating and sharing resources. Switch, a device which connects devices on a network. Packet, a collection of bits grouped together for transmission. Hub, similar to a switch, but does not examine each packet of data to determine its destination, it simply forwards all the data to all connected devices. Wireless access point, connects Wi-Fi-enabled devices to a network. Wi-Fi wireless Ethernet allows devices on a LAN to connect wirelessly. NIC, network interface card, connects motherboard of a device to a network cable. WNIC, wireless NIC, allows a device to connect to Wi-Fi. Router, a switch which can forward data to the correct location in the most efficient manner. LAN, local area network, connects devices in a small area. WAN, wide area network, connects devices across a large area. Repeater, device which amplifies the signal on a network cable, also known as an active hub. Gateway, connects two different types of networks together. Bridge, a type of gateway which connects two LANs. Firewall, prevents external devices from gaining unauthorized access to a network. Server, a computer on a network which provides resources for client devices. Bandwidth, range of frequencies available for a communication method, which determines the transmission rate. Bitrate, number of bits that can be transferred per second. Data packets. Data packets are groups of bits. They will include header information and the data being sent. The header contains information about the source, destination, length, and verification data to allow packets to be reordered if they are fragmented during transmission. The Internet uses packet switching, which is the transmission of data using packets.